And a good welcome to everybody. We are in Pasakau. It is a small coastal town here in the province of Camarines Sur, in the Philippines. We're not gonna be able to explore everything today, but yeah, come on the journey and see what we can find. As you all see, it is a beautiful rainy day. For now, not raining, but it's gonna rain soon. And I'm gonna have to get out of the rain. I will find a good spot. Hey Marius, jy sê ja, dit is 'n reënerige dag weer. It's a rainy day. I want to take a walk. Maybe get one of those eggs again. Because it's so cheap. Yeah, it's a rainy day. When everybody is done with their chores and their things they're doing, they can turn their laptops on and watch the stream. But yeah, I won't get a move on from here. It is a high tide now, so it seems. Yeah, from here on out we will go to the Centro. Hey Stefan, welcome to the stream. I wouldn't swim in this water personally. But yeah, I see kids are in it. They enjoyed it. And thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for liking the stream. interesting to see how the rain is coming over. When it starts to drip, I'm gonna have to get underneath some shelter. Some free banana. I see at the market someone here bananas on. So someone managed to pick it up. Happy days. You see, today is Sunday, so it was market day. Then it's usually very busy. Everybody comes to buy their stuff, vegetables and whatnot. I won't enter there now. I want to go towards the center to get away from this beach area. Seems like it's starting to rain. Trap in the snow. Oh no, it's raining. This is what I wanted to avoid. The rain. I want to go to Central. How are you, man?
What happened is?
Injury. Injury on the foot. Got bitten by an ant.
Hey, sir. Hi.
How are you? Good? Just a small injury. Not too bad. Infection. Hey, now it's raining.
You go home now?
No, I won't go to Central.
What are you gonna do?
Nothing. Just gonna be there.
He's going to live.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do some house swimming over there. I just wait for the rain to give me an opportunity to walk. Hey, Pusa. Cat. Yeah, that's true. The rain can mess with you. But it's fine. As soon as I get an opportunity, I'm gonna go to Centro. I guess I'm hiding underneath a little shelter now, so I'm not getting wet. Just now it was nice and open, no rain, and then it came back. Unpredictable. Welcome to the Philippines. And it's high tide, so I'm not gonna go there. I will just wait. I will perhaps take a pedicab. Let me just put this thing on charge. Maybe I can go back up by the stairs there and then get. Okay, the rain seemed to have stopped a bit. So what we want to do is we can continue. Okay, it's like walking around. It's not really raining. We'll get ourselves a pedicab. Maybe I can just take a walk straight on. Let's see. Yeah.
Hey,
Hey.
it's raining, raining.
Yeah, it's rainy.
Oh, so sticky.
That's okay. I don't know.
Ay, parang harinig pala sa may. Ano kaya?
Hey Warok, what's up my friend? How are you today? Is it raining there in Cebu? Oh, hot already. Yeah man, yeah, it's still raining. Seems like Cebu is the place to be. You know, when I came to town, it wasn't raining. It was okay, and I thought, oh wow, now I'm gonna have a nice walk through town. Now it's gonna be good. And then poof, the rain came. Ah, we've got an opportunity. Let's take it. Where you got go? I'll come back. Ah, very nice. So you're having a bit of a get together, some karaoke. Oh yeah, it's good, man. You know that you are sober now for 2 years. Don't let the temptation get to you.
Hello, I don't.
It's better not to sober for 2 years. That's good. Hey, Open, hey, how are you, my friend? How are you? And thank you for watching. Welcome to the channel. I've got no idea where's Odessa, but I won't see it. Yeah, Warok, that is true, you know. You can also, I always say, even though I don't drink myself, I don't mind if other people drink. So if it's only for a chit chat, you know, and for a get together, that's fine. Doesn't mean you have to drink with though. But if they want to drink, get them drink. Nothing wrong with that. Not drink when you are with them. Panay Japan TV. I think I saw you on Mom Ava on her yard. I was on there and it was quite good. We had a good time, you know, singing. Yeah. Yeah, don't drink, my friend. If you start drinking, you give in to temptation and it might become a problem again. Better not to do it. I think I won't go across the road and I'll get some egg with the dough. I don't know what's the name of it, but that's my favorite. Let me go get my egg. The guys are gonna go past. And by infection.
Nasa insect
Doon ano digdib?
That's mine.
Ay, that's yours?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
I come for this one. What is the name of this? Yeah, it's way different in Cebu. Cebu is traffic, party, ayo. All of those things. Okay, I'll have this one. And then... Okay, that's quick in there. That's a quail eggs. What's this? Yeah, this is a hot dog. What sausage is on there? What's the sausage? Yeah, what sausage is it? Okay, I'll definitely take this one. Macano.
20 pesos.
Okay, give me this one. Give me my egg.
One day, one month.
Quentin.
Your name?
Quentin.
Quentin!
Yeah. See, remember? A kwekwe and then the other one, the big egg. There's only one, so I took it. See, kwekwe. A good day and thank you for watching. Thank you for always coming on. And yeah, take care of your mom, my friend. Thank you very much. Safe. God is always with me, so that's good.